Hey, hey, why are you taking a picture? I don't know what happened.
Alright, I'll have a camera. Sure.
That's good. It doesn't work.
I talk to the police right now.
It doesn't work. The camera doesn't work. It's not nice. It's not nice to blind a man that's trying to take a pictures. Loser. Loser. No, I think he's good. The center is not all, it's like there's a small lane for the other side. Let's go check it out. Hey, check it out. It's the police.
What's up, guys?
Yo, what up, man?
What are you guys up to?
Something going on here or what?
Huh?
Something going on here?
I don't know. We got called. They said there was people harassing, I guess, the 4040.
Oh,
What are you guys up to?
we're just out minding our own business. I don't know. We thought something was going on because you guys rolled up.
No, yeah, we got a call with something, but we're still trying to figure that out. We're trying
Oh,
to figure it
okay. All right, cool, man.
out. You guys are good?
Oh, yeah, we're good. How about you?
Cool.
Had your coffee tonight and everything?
Nah, I'll have that a little bit later.
All right on, man. Red Bull, huh?
Huh?
The Red Bull
No.
gives you wings?
No, I'll try to stay away from that stuff, man.
That's good, man. Have a good night, bro.
Thanks, you too.
All right. Hey, it's those dogs again. It's those same dogs from earlier.
Oh yeah, I remember that little small one.
The little brown one that took a crap out here, huh?
Yeah.
It's down,
I
huh?
get a ticket for that.
So here it is, the Chino Hills Police, which is actually the Sheriff's Department. Just out here minding our own business.
I don't know what they're talking
And he's trying to get it, look. Nasty.
Trying to get it here, you could barely even wipe his own butt.
I know, huh? Dang.
You should at least get at least some hair on your ball.
Oh, is that another one?
Yeah, it looks like he's coming in.
Holy crap, code red, huh?
Yeah. Lights off and everything.
Wow.
So guys, I had to explain to him what First Amendment is,
Right on, man.
and your guys' right to do what you wish on public property,
Appreciate you, man.
as long as it's not on private property.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
So I've already explained that to him. You guys are good. You're not detained or anything like
Name and
that.
badge number, sir?
What was that?
Your name and badge number?
Deputy Gomez, badge number 2709.
And you, sir?
Martinez, G8536.
Appreciate you, man.
Cool.
you.
All right,
Hey,
you guys have a good?
what's all this about, man? Yeah.
Have a good night, guys.
Thank you, boss. Appreciate
What's
it.
up with that?
See, there's always gotta be one.
Always gotta be
You
a
guys are
jackass.
cool. You guys are cool.
Hey, kick rocks, man. He already told you to kick rocks.
What?
He already told you to kick rocks, so kick rocks.
What are you talking about?
Hurry up, get in your car so you can feel safe, man. Hurry up. Close the door.
Oh wow.
Close the door, man. Oh, you got a bitch light, huh? You got a
Yeah,
bitch boy light?
Be a little bitch, huh?
Ah,
Look. You like that, don't you?
what a sad life you live, man. It's all about your flashlight, huh? Hey, your life is based off of a flashlight and a little book you write tickets with.
You did.
That's your whole life, dude. How sad is that? Your whole life is a flashlight, a pair of cuffs, and a ticket book. Congratulations, jackass. See you later, jackass. Woo!
The other ones, they were all like, fuck that.
Yeah, the other one's like, no, let's go, man, let's go. And he was like, no, whoa, whoa, who called? Who called? Hey, what's up, buddy?
Yo, buddy.
Hey, let's roll. It's a party. Hey, Scruffy.
That's a dog pound right here.
Look at Scruffy. It's Scruffles,
Hey.
everyone.
Scruffy.
Mr. Scruffs.
Yeah.
And the dog pound.
OG Scruffy. You straight like this.
Hey, why'd you guys call the cops? What a bunch of bitches. Yo, you guys got unauthorized entitlement. Unauthorized entitlement. You get no answers. Amazing.
Still got you though.
Just sign it.
Sign the ticket. No.
Oh, wow.
Stop. Get on your stomach. You need to give us your right hand. Not right now.
Alright, well, this lady resisted arrest and she refused to sign the ticket. And now she's fighting officers here.
We've been very patient with
There's several violations. Now she's turning over. She's definitely resisting here. It's too late, lady. Sorry, but now it's too late.
We have been very patient with you this entire time.
They've been patient with you. No, it can't get to this point. We cannot cause them to force violence on us. Poor lady, man. I feel bad for her, but look at this. This is all she had to do was sign the ticket and fight it in court.
Stop.
She said, somebody help me. I try to help her. I try to tell her to sign the ticket so they can let her go. I had to get to this point. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry that you guys had to witness this, but this is definitely something that people need to see, because if you refuse, no matter if you're guilty or not, when the police pull you over, you must provide them with your information, which she did, and you must sign the citation, promising to appear. That's how they're gonna let you drive away. Look, now she's kicking the door. She better not kick this guy. So they're saying that if she signs that they're gonna let her go here, and this is way more than just a sign and go type of deal here. Sign it, lady. Just sign it. This is it. Your last chance. Just sign it. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, unbelievable. Let him take it off, lady. Come on. Please, let him take it off. Wow. This is it, man. Last chance. Seriously. Last chance. Lady, if you find this video, you need to learn a lesson from this. This is not how you are lucky. I'm going to say you are the luckiest lady right now to be let go from the police custody. And that is a fact, guys. That is a fact. She is the luckiest, because I would have been booked and not released until Tuesday. You can't act like you can't act like this with the police, but I don't know how she got away with it. And who knows? Maybe later on they'll decide to do an ad charge. Wow, she's a freedom fighter, guys. No doubt about it. But this is not how you fight the police. Oh my God. Well, I cannot believe. Oh my God, I am so mind blown, guys. I am so mind blown. I think somebody was pulling over. I think somebody wanted to say hi, guys. I just want to say hi.
Hey, my boyfriend loves you.
Right on.
He's watching your live.
Nice. Thank you for stopping by. Be safe, though. They're going to tell you to get out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, be safe. Thanks for stopping.
Got it.
Just a car accident. What's up, man? All right.
Hey, just wanted to say thank you for being cool and not
Hey,
interrupting
man.
us or
No,
anything
thank
like
you
that.
guys, man. You guys, wow. I've never seen anybody cross the line like that and end up out of cuffs. So I thank you guys, man. You guys, we appreciate you guys trying to keep the streets safe and doing what you got to do. And this lady was giving several chances. So
Yeah, we were actually hoping we can ask you, like, are you by yourself or do you work for someone?
no, I'm independent.
Independent?
Independent media.
We're wondering, because you were reporting for a long time.
Yeah, we're live on YouTube. SGV News first. Yeah.
Say it again?
SGV News.
Is that San Gabriel Valley
Yeah,
News?
San Gabriel
oh, okay,
Valley
I've heard
News.
of it.
Yeah, you guys know who I am. But it's live. The whole video
Are
is
you going
live.
to be putting it up on YouTube?
It's already live right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Just because obviously I think it's been over an hour since we were talking with her.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Right on,
But yeah,
man.
I just wanted to say thanks for not getting in the way and asking us questions
Oh, yeah,
and all
yeah,
other
for
kind of stuff.
Yeah, I try to do what I gotta do, man.
So appreciate it, man.
Yep.
All right, take care.
All right,
okay?
be safe out there.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Hey, there it is. There it is. They became SGV bootlickers. Is that down? We got SGV bootlickers, guys. They love it. But no, this is how policing should be. I mean, they shouldn't have put their hands on her. That's not the way to handle things, you know. But they did give her several chances. They gave her so many chances, guys, and this is why I appreciate their service, because she could have definitely been on her way to jail today. And we all can truly understand that. Yeah, the SGV bootlickers, is that down? What's up, Furry?